Hi, my name's Abigail and I am 6 years old. Today I am gonna make slime with, I think it is Kid Slime Kit. I don't know, but do you want to say hi to my mom? I'll blink her out.
Hi, can I sit here?
Yes.
Okay. All right, here we go.
So the first thing you need to do is you need to Elmer's clear glue, and then you're gonna open it like this. Can you help me?
Of course, I'm happy to. Wouldn't it be something if I couldn't open it either?
And then we're just gonna put a whole thing in.
Okay.
Next,
So now
we are gonna put in some glitter.
what are the color choices for glitter?
Silver, blue, green, yellow, red. So the first one I am gonna be using red.
If you pull it, yeah. You did not! Okay, we gotta figure this out. The glitter stick fell into the glue.
Maybe can I just carefully grab the top and I put it on you? I'm gonna try to find my name.
Yeah, keep going. That's beautiful!
I can't believe I wrote my name.
Wow! She wrote her name. I want to show everyone. Everyone. Look, she wrote her name.
Abigail.
Look how beautiful that is.
I'm gonna use a green. I was excited.
Oh!
I got too excited and
That's a great emotion to have, excitement. Well, let's see your excitement emotion. Let's see. Let's see. Show everybody your excitement
this is my
emotion.
excitement emotion.
Works for me. All right, here we go. Silver. Ooh, that's pretty. What?
I dropped this into glue.
Oh my gosh, my sister's calling me. Hold on. Hi. We're back in action. Okay, now how much of that do you put in?
All of it.
Whoa, it's called magical glue? Wow, it is. That's what it says on the bottle.
It does?
Yeah, magical. Oh, magical liquid. Excuse me, sorry. Is that it?
It's it. There's
Okay.
Okay.
A woman's got a woman's back. Well, woman's got a girl's back.
I'm going to tell you something to them.
Okay, well, come over here and tell them so they can see us.
Okay. But it's only for them to hear.
Oh, it is? Okay, well, then go over there and maybe you can climb up here and whisper it then.
Okay.
Okay, I don't normally let her do this, but I don't really want her to move the camera, so she has to come to you. She's coming to you, okay?
Okay. You guys play. I'm done.
You told them?
Yeah.
Okay,
Did
good.
you even hear what I said?
I did not.
Okay, good. Okay, I think that's good now. Yeah, that's good.
And then now what do we do?
And now we Do you want to mush it with me with my hands?
Ooh! Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so you show me what to do first, and then I'll do it.
So do you want to do it now?
Yes. Okay, and we just keep mixing it like that?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I thought it was gonna be...
Even better than slimy. Yeah.
This is crazy! Look at this! Oh my gosh. How did this all happen?
Well,
So fast too. This is crazy. Okay, so you want to play catch? Do you want to play catch?
Once I'm done playing, peel this stuff.
Okay. Oh, we just keep mixing it until it feels like slime.
Yeah.
I see. Well, mine feels like, my big one feels like a slime right now.
It does?
Doesn't it?
Oh yeah, it's slime.
It's slime. Okay, so now what do we do with this? What?
It's stuck to me!
It is stuck to you. This is so good. This is fun.
Yeah.
This is really fun. All right, so tell us, are you a slime fan?
Or
not a slime
fan.
Fan. Yeah. Do you like slime or do you
not like slime?
Because who here likes slime? Yeah, I like slime.
I like slime.
Okay, what else should we share with them? Anything else?
No, I think we did.
All right, let's say goodbye.
Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Bye.
Look this, I'll show you. Goodbye. Thanks for watching. Catch.